Teardrop camper. I gotta move this thing. The reason I gotta move it is because we're gonna put another camper here. I've got to get this one moved, and then I got to get this grass mowed so that we can put a bigger camper here. I think the geese and the ducks are making noise. Anyway, let me get this done. I gotta take this tarp off of there. I had all this heavy wood on there to keep the wind from blowing the tarp off. So when I get it moved, I gotta put the tarp back on and then put this wood back on. Because I don't want the wind to blow it away again. Look what the heat has done to this board. This used to be a really straight board. It's not a straight board no more. Got a few more to go. The big Teardrop camper reveal. Yeah, like that. Catching on something. Oh. I think there's another board up there. Maybe. Something up there. Some of that insulating foam that we'll be putting in there somehow. Man, we had that tarp on there a lot better than I thought we'd be. Get that camera up there, kind of show you what we got here. This thing, it's a project. Of course, that's blocking a window there. But it's a project. See if I can do a little walk around, kind of show you a little bit. Oh, excuse me. It's a project, that's for sure. Okay, so it's a little teardrop camper project that we got going on, and we're going to be finishing this thing up. And that's why I had all these tarps on there to keep the moisture down. Before I move it, I need to make sure there's no eggs under there, because you know, chickens just like to lay eggs, that's for sure. Alright. Take my camera off the tripod here. See if I can get this little door open. Set my glove down there. There we go. Got a nice little door. Got another door on the other side. So we have an escape hatch on both sides. And there's the little window area that's blocked. That's a spot for an air conditioner. We got like different fittings and things that in here that we've got that we need to do. We got a lot of work to do. Got some little cabinets back there. Got a little ceiling fan thing here that we'll be putting in right up there in that spot. Got a nice little blanket over there. This is cushions underneath. It's got that foam. That's pretty thick down in there. It's nice. Ooh, hit my head. Ah. One thing I need to remember in a little teardrop camper is that thing right there. Like right there, I have to bend down to get in through it. Got some little cabinets in here. A few odds and ends in the cabinets for this project. But anyway, got like back here in the back, this will be like a little kitchen area. And you know, we got the fenders for the wheels. I got a spare wheel. This will have like a hatch on it and be a little kitchen area. We'll open up the hatch and have, you know, a few odds and ends back here that we can use for breakfast, maybe, mostly just breakfast. But when we're out camping, we'll have other odds and ends too. I don't see any eggs. So I guess the ducks and the chickies didn't see this as a good spot for laying eggs. I thought they'd be in here and be sitting up on these things, but apparently not. Of course, the eggs may be all wrapped up in this. Big ass spider. Can you see it? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Huge spider. There he is. Look. Big spider. Look what the sun has done to this tarp. You can see where that board was laying over the top of it. And a couple of other boards. So the sun and the wind, I'd say mostly the sun has damaged the tarp that much in just a matter of a couple of months. Anyway, it's going to get dark, so I got to get this thing moved. I just wanted to show you this little project that, you know, we need to pick back up on. Sometimes you just get tied up in other things and you just don't come back to them timely like you want to. So let's see if I can get this thing moved and then get this grass moved. It's gonna be getting dark here soon. So there's my chicken coop over there, my tripod. But anyway, the chickens will be going in here in a little while, and I gotta get that mower started and mow all this grass. I'm gonna try to move the camper on the other side of that fence. I don't want to block the gate, so I'm gonna have to move it down and over somehow. Not really quite sure, but we'll figure it out as we go. Wish me luck. Talk to you later.